And they're off, and it is taken by Cavite Real from the outside. Moving up on the inside is entry number 1, and that is Rockaway. It's Rockaway in the lead, followed by entry number 2, Virgin Empire on the outside. It's Virgin Empire on the outside, and by the rail is Rockaway. Running in third by 3.5 lengths. Entry number 4, Hailstorm. Moving up in between horses, Oakhill Princess, and on the outside, Alajero. And Cavite Royal. Moving up on the inside is Gintong Pilak. And rounding the far turn, it's Rockaway by half a length, followed by entry number 2, Virgin Empire in second, and remains in third is entry number 4, Hailstorm by 4.5 lengths, and on the outside is Oakhill Princess. And at the last bend for home, it's Rockaway by the rail, and on the outside is Virgin Empire, entry number 4, Hailstorm running in third, Oakhill Princess on the farther outside. And nearing the pipeline is still Rockaway in the lead. It's Rockaway, followed by Virgin Empire in second. Moving up on the outside is Hailstorm. And finally at the pipeline is going to be entry number 1, Rockaway, Hailstorm, Alajero, Oakhill Princess, Virgin Empire, Cavite Royal, Gintong Pilak.
Okay, here's the unofficial winner, entry number 1, Rockaway, pulling away.